Hello students, let us talk about arithmetic instructions. The frequently used arithmetic instructions are add, subtract, increment means add 1, decrement means subtract 1. Mnemonics. Add R means register. Example add B. Add the content of register B to the register which is A. So here we have to suppose we have to add two 8-bit data. Then first data which is present in the accumulator, and the second data which is present in register B, and obviously the result of this operation is stored in the accumulator. ADI 8-bit. AD means add, I means immediate data, which is 8-bit data. Here in this example ADI 37H. So here 37H is a 8-bit data. Add 8-bit data to the content of accumulator. So here accumulator, in previous instruction also accumulator is not specified, but here accumulator is implicit. Here also 8-bit data which is 37H, it is added to the content of the accumulator, and result is stored obviously in the accumulator. Add M. ADD means addition. M means we have to consider HL pair. Add M. Add the content of the memory to A. The address of the memory is in HL register. So here we have to add the content which is present at the memory address which is located in HL register, and we have to add it into the accumulator. Then SUBR. SUB means subtraction. R means we have to consider general purpose register. So here C is used. Subtract the content of register C from the content of the accumulator. So here we have to subtract the content of register C. Okay, so first number must be in accumulator, and content of the register C is subtracted from the content of the accumulator, and the result is stored in accumulator. SUI 8-bit. SU means subtract, I means immediate data, which is 8-bit data. So SUI 7FH. Subtract 8-bit data from the content of the accumulator. SUBM. Subtract the content of the memory from A. So obviously the address of the memory is in HL register. Then INR. INR means increment, R means register. INRD. So here increment the content of the register which is D at here. Increment M. INR M. Increment the content of the memory, the address of which is in HL. Right. So here we have to increment the content whose address is stored in HL pair register. DCRR. DCR means decrement, R means general purpose register. DCRE. So here E register is used. Decrement the content of a register. DCRM. Decrement M. Decrement the content of a memory, the address of which is stored in HL pair register. INXRP. IN means increment, X means we have to consider register pair, RP. INXH. INXH means it is related to HL pair. Increment the content of a register pair HL. DCXRP. DCXB. So here decrement the content of a register pair BC. Then let us talk about logic and bit manipulation instructions. These instructions include the following operations: AND, OR, XOR, compare, rotate bits. Mnemonics. ANAR. ANAB. ANA means AND. and B. Logically AND the content of a register with the content of the accumulator. So register, the content which is present in the register B, it is ANDed with, logically ANDed with the content of the accumulator, and result is stored in the accumulator. ANI 8-bit. AN means AND, I means immediate data, 8-bit data. So here 8-bit data is 2FH. We have to AND, logically AND 8-bit data with the content of the accumulator. ANAM, logically AND the content of memory with the content of accumulator, and the address of memory is in HL register. That means where is data, the data is present at the address which is stored in HL register. We have to logically add it with the content of the accumulator. Result is stored in the accumulator. Same operation for ORI 8-bit, ORAM, same operation is there. So you can easily understand meaning by developing the analogy. Here OR operation, it is related with the general purpose register, 8-bit data and memory. Here also XOR operation related with general purpose register, 8-bit and memory. Now let us talk about compare instruction. CMP-R, CMP-B, compare the content of register with the content of the accumulator. Okay, so where are two numbers? First number is in accumulator and second number in register B. We have to compare these two numbers for less than, for equal to and for greater than by using this instruction. CPI, CP means compare, I means immediate data. So 4F is the data. We have to compare this 8-bit data with the content of the register, whether it is less than, equal to or greater than. Complement, CMA, and here no operand. So this instruction means first complement of the content of the accumulator. That means suppose we want to make complement of the content of the accumulator, we have to use CMA instruction. Now let us talk about some bit manipulation instruction which are additional logical operations. Rotate the content of the accumulator one position to the left or right. So here content must be in accumulator and we can rotate it. Suppose RLC instruction is given. It is related with the accumulator. Rotate the accumulator left. So here bit D7 goes to bit D0 and the carry flag. RAL, rotate the accumulator left through carry. So bit D7 goes to carry and carry goes to bit D0. RRC, rotate the accumulator to right. Bit D0, bit 0 goes to bit 7 and the carry flag. RAR, rotate the accumulator right through the carry. Bit D0 goes to carry and carry goes to bit 7, D7. So here these instructions are explained. RLC, so here when RLC instruction executed, then bit D7, it goes to bit D0 and it also goes to carry flag. RAL, when this instruction is executed, bit D7 goes to carry and the content of the carry flag is shifted to bit D0.